Hi guys, so this morning I'm going to make a card using this new alphabet set that Diamond Press did send in for my review. They sent the items free of charge and all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I will make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. So this is an item that's going to be presented, or hopefully will be, for HSN's Craft Day on the 6th, October 6th. So keep an eye out for that. They are releasing some items already right now, so I will have some links in the description box for those items, including this letter set. This is a nice set to also use with the cold foil rolls. So this is something that will be available. It's not quite yet on the site, but for today I'm not going to use these quite yet, but these do come with their foil rolls plus the double-sided adhesive that you would use for your lettering or whatever it is that you want to cut with it, then foil. So really nice system that works very easily. You don't need a special machine, just the adhesive, your paper, your foil, and your fingers, I suppose, because you just have to rub it and it works. So let me open this up. I think I measured these yesterday, but I'll measure them once we have them cut out so I can tell you the exact size. But as you can see, it's, you know, your full alpha. I think this is called Condensed Alpha. And you do have your hashtag, your exclamation point, your question mark, and your numbers. That's really nice. A lot of times people sell those kind of things separately, so that's cool. And it does come on a magnetic carrier sheet, so you can pop that into your binder if you have the binder, or just leave it on there because it really holds. I mean, you can see that's really good strength there. So what I was planning on doing is I have, and then of course it comes with a die cutting folder. This is for the marquee, so that's really great. I have this background die from the last set of things I had reviewed for the last craft day, and it happens to be like a poinsettia background that I never got to use, so I think I'm going to use this today. So it's already cut out. These are still available. I don't know how much quantity they have since it was an item from the last go round, but they are still available at HSN, the background dies that created this. So I'm going to cut down this pearlescent paper. I'm going to grab some gold, I think, paper, and we'll get started. So I'm going to cut this down to a standard A2 size card, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have my standard A2 size card base. I don't know if I'm going to orient it this way or this way yet, but this is, you know, 8.5 by 5.5 piece of paper, scored at 4 1/4 to make our card base. So I'm going to put it to the side for right now. I might back up the letters with like a little drop shadow, so I do have some more of that same pearlescent paper just to kind of echo that background. And I was looking for a scrap of gold cardstock, and I couldn't find one, so I'm just going to open this up. And this is mirrored card, so it's very shiny. And I only need very little, so I think I'm going to cut out the words Noel. I'm going to keep this to the side because I know this makes the camera react funny. So for now, let's just keep that to the side. And my N-O-E-L. I know they are bringing some other fun items that I do not have to share with you guys. Diamond Press will have on HSN. Some things are like kind of like embellishment stuff. Right now they just uploaded or put on HSN site a tag set that's really cute. It comes with like little wood pieces and some tags. So if you're into that kind of thing, very cute. So I'm going to cut these all out at once. I just want to edit that. Of course I dropped something. Typical, using my well-loved folders. Although obviously your kit comes with a new one. I just like to use them up. Why not? So here we have our little letters. I'm going to just keep those stuck together because I'll use the same thing on the gold paper. Really cute set of letters. Okay, so we have this guy. I'm going to do the same thing, but cut it out of that gold mirror, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to do is drop shadow the lettering. Let me put this to the side. Oh, hopefully I don't drop that. And basically, like, I'll take the N, match it up with the other N, and just barely give it a little bit of shadow. I don't want to put it too far over because then it's going to cover up the completely, like the back of the letters, and then it just looks like not too good. So just a little bit of overlap. And I'll do that for all the letters, and then we will put them on our project. Just going to put on here a little bit because I'm not sure exactly what's going to be touching. something like that. You see that little bit of background, okay? And I'll do the same thing for all the letters, just offset them just slightly. My letters here, and just think about what I want to do. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this down, and I think I'm going to use this very lightly. Again, it's just a fine tip applicator of this Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. It sticks really fast though, so if you're not good with gluing, you might want to use a glue that was a little more forgiving. And again, this is very thin, everything that's going on back here, but I'm just putting glue, but you can put it on the back of your hand, some glue, and then just pat, pat, pat until you get the glue where you want it, all over your hand. And I think I am going to do a landscape like this. So let that stick down. And then I have this piece of vellum from yesterday when we did the review of the new wildflower background dies, and I thought, oh, you know, this might work, and put it behind the lettering. I was just gonna put the lettering right on top, but if you can add another layer, might as well, right? Why not? So let me keep this here and try to keep it kind of straight, just so I can make sure it's gonna be straight. And let's start with our letters. Okay, so this is the kind of thing I would plan out. Like, I usually would put them down, and I start with a center letter, and hopefully it would be like an uneven number, but these are an even number of letters, so we're just going to eyeball this. If you have like a tool that helps you do this, you know, I would definitely bring that out. And actually, maybe I will bring this one, just a ruler or something like that, but I do have, anything that has like a thick edge, I have a few different plastic rulers that have thicker edges. That looks straight to me. And I stick them down like that. Oopsie. So I'm going to start with the O. And if you had like a fine tip applicator of like 3D glue gel, that would be really nice to pop these up too. There we go. And I'll keep gluing them down, just lining them up. And I will be right back. Okay, I'll stick the outer too. Okay, I kind of eyeballed it because as far as the spacing and stuff, but it's what it is. All right. And again, if you want to do it the other way, you can do it. You know, at this point, you can change your mind because this is isn't oriented in a specific way. Huh? I was gonna do it this way, but you know what? I kind of like it like this. And then if you have any other dimensional adhesives, other things you want to use, I would definitely use them. But what I'm going to do right now is just trace the back of the letters because, again, you know, vellum is a funny thing. So what I'm going to do is just put glue on the back of the letter so you don't see the adhesive so much. I'm putting a good amount because it has to go through this background to the card base. And I think that's pretty good. Let me set up our card straight. I'm gonna hold that down and I will be right back. Okay, and there we have it, a simple card made very easy with our letters. I did say I was going to measure them, so let me get that. And they are 1 1/4 inches tall. And the width, they look almost the same, but you know, just about less than like 3/8 of an inch wide. Yeah, they all seem very similar at that width, but 1 1/4 inches tall. Super cute, super nice. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Again, I'll keep the videos coming. You'll probably have another one today and a couple every day until we build up to the craft day, okay? Thanks so much, Diamond Press, for sending this for my review. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you all at the next one. Bye now.